Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across Europe, where the warmth at the moment is mainly reserved for southwestern areas, particularly across Iberia. Further north and east, a very cool regime with the winds coming all the way down from Scandinavia across many central and northern parts of Europe. And then we have this churning area of low pressure in the Mediterranean. Now, that's been developing some very heavy showers recently through Sardinia, Corsica and into Italy. And they continue to affect the Balkans, Turkey, Greece over the coming days. Eventually they will start to ease away, but could bring a little bit of snow over higher ground in places. Lots of sunshine and spring warmth across Iberia and across southwestern parts of France as well. More cloud on Friday across the British Isles. Still that nagging east or northeasterly wind. A lot of cloud through many central and eastern parts of Europe. Some sunshine across a large swathe of Scandinavia. Now, as we go into Saturday, a bit more sunshine just filtering its way across France, but notice how we start to pick up the prospect of some snow across parts of Germany and Poland. So still in this cool air and still some heavy showers across the eastern side of the Mediterranean. Things start to turn a little bit milder in London and Paris as we look ahead to next week. Still quite large amounts of cloud, mainly dry with some bright or sunny spells. That milder theme extends across Eastern Europe as well, and eventually things will settle down in Athens. Hello, time to get the forecast for North America, where we're keeping an eye on the latest storm, which has already brought around 23 inches of snow to parts of Montana, 18 inches of snow to Dakota. Here it is on the earlier satellite picture, this large area of cloud continuing to work its way north and eastwards. On its northern edge, significant snow and blizzards, then a fine line between the snow and potentially some freezing rain. On its southern flank, we've got some local thunderstorms and some potentially damaging winds as well. Now, further west into the Pacific Northwest, a different system bringing some potentially significant snow across the northern Rockies and the Cascades. We could see 6 to 12 inches of snow here over the next day or so. At lower levels, some very heavy rain. As we head further south into California, things are looking mainly dry on Thursday, a good deal of sunshine, but potentially some gusty winds on and near the coast. The rain will clear from Vancouver and Seattle. Some sunshine for a time on Friday, but more wet weather likely as we head into Saturday, and things will turn cooler as that rain arrives. Let's head eastwards now, where there's a lot of dry weather along the eastern seaboard, but we can see this storm pushing its way through the Great Lakes into Minnesota, up into Ontario and Manitoba, and then these strong damaging winds from the Gulf states all the way up into Indiana and Illinois, potentially bringing some local thunderstorms as well. But along the east coast, things are going to be warming up over the next few days. Bye-bye. Hello, the clean-up operation continues in Rio de Janeiro after the torrential rain and subsequent floods we saw earlier in the week. This is the earlier satellite picture, so we can see the cloud associated with the heavy rain. It's now been pulling its way northward, so things are looking much drier in Rio with some spells of sunshine, but still plenty of showers and thunderstorms across a large swathe of Brazil. They also fringe parts of Bolivia, Peru, southern parts of Colombia and Venezuela. Could just see a few across the likes of French Guiana and Suriname, for example. Certainly lots of showers across northern and eastern parts of Brazil. But as we head further south into Rio, you can see on Thursday dry with a good deal of sunshine. Should be mostly dry across Uruguay, Paraguay and much of Argentina as well. And things fairly quiet across southern Chile for now, but our next system will be working its way eastwards over the coming days, returning some wetter, windier weather and some snow for the Andes. So things dry for now in Rio. Could see a few showers returning by the time we get to Tuesday. Now, Mexico is looking fine and dry with plenty of sunshine on Thursday. Scattering of showers across central parts of America, particularly through Honduras down into Nicaragua and Costa Rica. It's all attached to this frontal system, which will continue to bring some showers across Cuba through Thursday, Friday and maybe into Saturday as well, before things turn drier with some spells of sunshine. Sunshine continues in Kingston and in San Salvador. Bye-bye. Hello, there's news of more heavy showers across parts of the Middle East, and we'll take a look at the forecast there in just a moment's time. First to Africa, let's start with the earlier satellite picture. Plenty of shower clouds through our equatorial zone, anywhere really from Tanzania up towards the Gulf of Guinea. And as ever, these showers will bring a lot of rain in just a short amount of time. We've got an area of low pressure in the Mediterranean. Now that could bring 1 or 2 showers and possibly thunderstorms to the coast of Tunisia and Morocco. Also, this this frontal system down towards the southwestern Cape, bringing some outbreaks of rain into Cape Town later on Friday and into Saturday. As that clears, some sunshine returning, but it will be feeling cooler and fresher. Some drizzle in Johannesburg will be replaced by some sunshine later in the weekend. Khartoum will stay dry with lots of sunshine, a good deal of sunshine in Casablanca as well, with temperatures in the low 20s Celsius. Could get some thunderstorms in Kinshasa. So across to the Middle East, where across the Levant, fine, dry, some spells of sunshine, but notice showers already brewing across Iran, continuing to work their way eastwards, and some of those will break out across parts of Saudi Arabia. Again, if you catch one of those, a lot of rain in just a short amount of time. Some strong winds along the coast of Oman and Yemen. And we're just keeping an eye on what these showers are going to do over the next few days. Could well see some in Muscat and also in Dubai. Notice how the heat builds in Riyadh and Kuwait. Bye-bye. Hello, time to take a look at the forecast across South and Central Asia, where we have a number of severe weather warnings in place, mainly for thunderstorms across northern and eastern states. Now, where we see these, they're going to bring a lot of rain in just a short amount of time and some gusty winds as well, but they will be fairly isolated, somewhat hit and miss, so not everyone will see them. Could just catch a few showers overnight into Friday across parts of Kerala, Karnataka, some not too far away from southern parts of Sri Lanka, but for much of Sri Lanka and the Maldives on Friday, should be a fine day with plenty of sunshine. That theme extends across much of India. I'm sure you can see a scattering of showers across northeastern states and some heavy showers working their way eastwards through Afghanistan into northern and eastern parts of Pakistan. Also some showers for the far east of Kazakhstan as well. You can see just behind me there's more to come, pushing their way eastwards over the next few days. But lots of fine weather across southern parts of Pakistan into Rajasthan, Gujarat, down the western Ghats. Just the chance of one or two showers. Should be some fine weather across much of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. But as we work further north and eastwards through Orissa and into parts of Bangladesh, here's where we could see the chance of some very heavy thundery showers. Dry in Mumbai over the next few days, partly cloudy, partly sunny in Dhaka. Looks like Islamabad will pick up some showers through Tuesday and Wednesday. Things eventually start to turn cooler in New Delhi as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. Stays fine and dry in Karachi. Bye-bye. Hello, we'll take a look at the forecast for Australia and New Zealand in just a moment's time. First to the Asia-Pacific region. Let's take a look at the earlier satellite picture. Lots of shower clouds through Indonesia and Malaysia, and also this area of cloud across the Korean peninsula and into Japan. That's been bringing some wet, windy and wintry weather, some significant snowfall in recent days across parts of Japan. The area of low pressure now starting to pull away, but for a time still keeping some showers across the far north of Japan. Some sunshine returning to the Korean peninsula and across some eastern areas of China, 19 Celsius in Shanghai. Head further south and west, things are looking a bit wetter. Some very heavy rain in places here. Also, some sharp showers developing across parts of Vietnam and Cambodia. Lots of showers through Indonesia and Malaysia. Things looking fine with some sunshine in Osaka over the next couple of days, but some rain returning here through Sunday and Monday. Some fine conditions in Beijing and Bangkok. Across to Australia, and we've got this zone of rain. It's a cold front gradually working its way eastwards over the next few days. So some sunshine behind that in Perth. Eventually the showers will work their way eastwards and move across into Victoria and New South Wales through Saturday and Sunday. Rain easing to showers across New Zealand on Friday. Some spells of sunshine in between. Like to keep some showers going, particularly across the North Island over the next few days. So Wellington will see some. It turns quite wet and cool in Perth and showery in Sydney. Bye-bye.